Hi guys, Eric here, Blue Nail Roofing, and today we're going to talk about deductibles and basically understanding how they work and why you're responsible for them. So when you make an agreement with your insurance company via the policy, you agree to a deductible. And that deductible means that you incur the first portion of any loss that they're responsible for in the form of a deductible. So think of it like I guess more like a copay. An insurance copay. So if you go in and your copay is $75, that $75 covers anything all the way down to a test and an x-ray, all the way up to a major surgery, right? A $200,000 surgery, let's call it. Anywhere in between still costs you the same money. But when you get your deductible removed, and here's a scenario for you. So the best way to think about this, and I've had people in the past, and our technicians and consultants have people say, well, the insurance company already took the deductible out. So they've already taken it, I've already paid it. Well, you haven't paid anything. All they've done is removed it from their payment because you're responsible for it. And so think of it like this. Let's say that your child's learning how to drive and they're 16 and they're sitting outside of the garage, and instead of putting the car in reverse, they put it in drive and they smash into the garage and mess up the door and the walls and mess up a few things in the garage. Well, you file a claim and the insurance company comes out. Let's just say your deductible is $5,500. The adjuster comes out, looks at the damage and says, well, we think it's $5,501 worth of damage. And so in that instance, the insurance company is going to remove the $5,500 in deductible, and they're going to issue a check for $1. So you would be responsible to find someone to do the work for $5,501, and then you would have to pay the $5,500, insurance company pays the $1, right? So that's the best way to think about. So when you think about, well, I've already paid it, that's basically a misnomer, because again, if the claim was equal to, less than, or barely over that, you're only going to get the delta of that. So that's a good way to look at deductibles. So obviously check out our channel. There's other videos in there that can help you understand lots of things, insurance claim, all things roofing. Wind or hail, call Blue Nail.